get straight to the chorus? No, do this part. And all the roads we have to walk are winding. There are many things that I would like to say to you, but I don't know how. Here we go. Cause maybe you wanna be the one that saves me. And after all, just go! Come on, Manchester, come on! That was nice. See, why don't we make up a song when the best songs are from here anyway? Alright.
I didn't like Michael's songs though.
If you can't beat him, join him.
If you can't beat him, join him.
Callum, stick it up for me.
I didn't like Michael's songs.
Oh. Thanks.
Why don't we play one of them right now then?
No, we already did that one. We're wasting time.
No, bro, you can beat
you actually wrote this next song in the set, right?
Oh.
How about we do that one?
Yeah, we can do that. I mean, we can keep playing songs, or we can just end with Wonderwall and walk off stage.
We're not gonna beat Wonderwall.
So,